Hello mga palangga! Welcome to another mini vlog. At ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Northern Iloilo para sa isang event. Pero bago yan, daan muna tayo ng Jollibee dahil sa Jollibee, pita ang saya. Ganito pala ko kumain ng Chicken Joy kapag take out. At eto na tayo sa ating location, Solina Beach and Nature Resort. Sobrang ganda dito at super luxurious ng vibes ng resort na to. At eto yung makeup room natin para sa shoot today. And this is Life here, our candidate for Lin-ay Iloilo 2023 as you will be representing Anilaw. O diba, sobrang busy na lahat para sa indoor shoot natin. And now, it's our time to shine. Go girls, slay! O sige, fierce. O smile naman. Yan, o diba? Power! At yan, group photo naman. And you know what's funny? Naiwan namin yung heels namin. And we have no choice but to use this. Kung minamalas ka nga naman. But anyway, thank you so much sa manager ng Solina for providing the shoes. And now we're done sa first part ng shoot. Ayan, mirror selfie muna tayo, girl. So after the shoot, we headed straight sa van. Kasi pupunta na tayo sa room na pinrovide ni Solina. And this is where we're going to stay for overnight. Sobrang ganda ng room na pinrovide sa amin. Super comfortable pa. Yan, selfie muna dahil excited na kami. Parang glamping setup sa labas, but this is how it looks like in the inside. Nagpahinga lang kami ng mabilis and papunta na tayo sa exciting part, the dinner time. Thank you so much, Stick Boys, Talabahan and Videoke Bar sa super malakasan at sobrang sarap na dinner namin. Look at that, may seafood platter kami, may talaba, may liempo, at sobrang dami ng food na sa sobrang dami namin, hindi pa rin namin naubos. And take note, may pabanda pa. Ayan, super gutom na si ate nyo. Kaya super laps na ng laps. And after our dinner, bumalik na kami sa Solina and that's it. Good night!